Put your best foot forward before the bells. Start the new year with positive intentions and use that powerful intuition you have to succeed in 2019.
Life Coaching Personal Development Workshop on Saturday 29th of December at 9:30am by Intuitive Life Coach Derek McGilvery. Let him and others help you find a happy medium in your life.
Change what makes you sad, whether relationship, financial hardships, stresses, the wrong job, etc.
Get rid of the limiting beliefs you have.
Let Derek and his team help you with some great tools, CBT, mindfulness. Learn to put yourself first with advice and years of experience of life coaching and business mentoring.
Derek will be assisted by Mia Middleton and Angela McPherson. Both are complementary therapists with over 25 years of experience between them.
Get the balance back in your life and learn to set smart goals for the future.
Don't
Just
Talk about it.
do it!
What is a SMART goal?
Goal setting is a powerful way of motivating people.
Goals provide a clear idea of what we are trying to achieve.
Goals allow us to measure our progress.
We are able to plan what we need to do to achieve these goals through people, time, resources, etc.
S equals strategic and specific. The goals should identify a specific action or event that will take place.
Answers the question who and what. M equals measurable. Include in the specific goal statement the measurements to be used to determine that results or outcomes expected have been achieved.
It answers the question, how?
A equals attainable goals should challenge people to do their best, but they need also to be achievable.
R equals relevant, and rigorous goals need to pertain directly to the performance challenge being managed.
T equals time bound, enough time to achieve the goal and not too much time, which can affect project performance.
It answers the question when. Agenda for the workshop. 9:30am to 10am we meet and greet and get to know each other. 10am to 11am talk about relaxing and mindfulness and meditation. 11am to 11:20am a break and all drinks are supplied. 11:20am to 12:30pm we're going to learn to set goals using the SMART goals methodology, and we're going to be visualising success with the power of the mind. 12:30pm to 1:45pm 2-course lunch in the hotel. 1:45 to 3pm we're overcoming obstacles, dealing with rejection and learning new behaviours and deleting the negative thoughts.
Derek will also demonstrate the power of self-hypnosis and do a gastric band hypnotherapy demonstration for those who want to lose weight in the new year. 3pm to 3:20pm a tea break. And 3:20pm to 4:30pm learn how to delegate and apply lessons learned using positive affirmations plus questions and answers to Derek and his team. All food and drinks are included within this workshop.
We are also running a course on the Sunday the 30th of December in the same venue. Developing your intuitive side. Learn how to heighten your intuition. Develop your card reading skills, psychic protection and grounding, mediumship, numerology and the use of our other tools. Take part in demonstrations and practice your own skills in a safe, calm environment.
Derek will be assisted by Mia Middleton and Angela McPherson, who are also skilled in using these tools. Mia is a strong medium and card reader.
Angela is well known for being the island food whisperer. Agenda: start at 9:30 a.m. and 10 a.m. is meet and greet to get to know each other. 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. is mindfulness and relaxing guided meditations. 11 a.m. a tea break for all the tea and coffees and juice supplied.
11:20 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. reading auras and the use of colours, psychic protection and grounding. 12:30 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. A lovely lunch is available with gluten-free and vegetarian options.
1:30 p.m. to 3 p.m. Learn how to use and improve your intuition. Readings with the use of tools. 3 p.m. to 3:20, another lovely tea break. 3:20 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. talk on mediumship and channeling from spirit and practice demonstrations. Cost for the day is £85, which includes a 2-course lunch, teas and coffees all day from the hotel, some great food for the gluten-free and the vegetarians. That's £85 per day, or book both days for £160. Book online at happymedium.co.uk or call or text 074 6811 9635. You can also email Derek at happymedium.co.uk. And thank you for listening.